Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can delete your Apple ID. So it's going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and go ahead and search for Apple ID login. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on the first link. And finally, I hope you have logged into your Apple account. If you don't know the password to it, I have made a recovery video and I've also made a login video, so go ahead and watch those and come back and you will be on this page right here. So finally, go ahead and scroll down and then you're going to be seeing data and privacy right over here on this account management page, and then there is going to be a blue text which says manage your data and privacy. Go ahead and click on that. Once you have clicked on it, it will tell you to sign in. Either it's going to tell you to sign in or it's just going to get you signed in like it did to me, as you can see. And over here there are some important settings like get a copy of your data, correct your data, temporarily deactivate your account or delete your account. Click on the blue text which says request to delete your account below the delete your account tab. Once you have finally done that, it's going to tell you what's going to happen when your account is deleted. So go ahead and read that. I already know what's going to happen, and they're also going to ask you a reason why you are going to be deleting your account. I'm just going to do I have concerns about my privacy, but you can basically choose a reason that looks like it's suitable for you. And after you have chosen a reason, go ahead and click on the continue button right below the select a reason tab, and finally click on continue one more time, and then scroll this all the way down and read it if you want, but I already know that what the terms and condition is, so I'm just gonna click on the check mark and click on continue. Finally, once you have done that, it says how to get account status. You can basically get the account status on your email, your phone number, whatever you want, or a different phone, different email. And once you have chosen the one you want, go ahead and click on continue one more time, and then finally this is going to be your access code to your account. So don't share this to anyone. Go ahead and click on continue. Finally, just copy the access code and click on continue, and then paste your access code right over here. Once you have copied this code, go ahead and click on continue and paste it on the access code, or basically go ahead and write it and go ahead and click on continue after you write your access code. And now finally click on delete account. Congratulations, they're going to be working on deleting your account and your data. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.